We'll do a quick garden tour since I haven't done one in what feels like a minute. So I put stakes or tomato cages around my peppers because they're getting so tall and they were flopping over in the wind. So that'll give them something at least. These are my peppers. Do you see all those white dots? I love to see that because those are all going to be peppers. And then in there we have purple beauty bell peppers. They're probably ready to harvest soon. And then my blackberry bush has shoots coming out of the side. Look at how long they are. I need to figure out how to like make this look neat, but I love seeing that. My black-eyed Susans are typically so out of control. I've started harvesting them just to keep them kind of looking a little neater because they flop like out here and then they flop onto my dahlias. So I'm going to try and harvest as many as I can soon. Okay, my violas do not look good. They're dying, they're messy. Next year, if I grow violas again, I'm going to do a lot better job at probably pruning it and just like making it look neater. My dahlias are looking rough. They're just starting to bloom like that, like just struggling. We do have a pretty yellow one coming in back there, and then my cosmos. So I chopped my cosmos. They were like this tall. I chopped them. Like ruthless chop. Just because they were getting obnoxiously tall and I just needed them to be a little bit more neater. And then my zinnias are looking kind of sparse because I've been cutting the crap out of them. Same for my cosmos. I have like no flowers right now. Hey, there's a bunch of red ones. Maybe I should do a red bouquet next. I've been doing like colored bouquets. Then my zucchini's doing well as usual. My cucumbers are starting to come in. These look like the pick-a-bushel ones, and I could have sworn I did not plant those. I thought I planted like a regular smooth cucumber, but I guess not. I mean, I'm okay with it. I think they're cute. You can see one of the tendrils holding on to my rosemary. We still have no sunflowers yet, but it is way past the fence. And then my new starts are doing well. I'll replace my tomatoes with these in a few months, and no, I'm not going to leave them out here as it gets hotter and harder. I'll probably, I don't know, I'll cross that bridge when I get there.